So today we're going to be taking a look at ICP, the Internet Computer. This particular token, it's actually ranking within the top 10 most searched tokens, something that we actually highlighted, last Wednesday. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be making a video right now specifically to give you my personal analysis and perhaps a price prediction, but what we can see here, looking at ICP on the 1-hour time frame, there are certain indications, where we really need to be observing a change of character. And you might ask yourself, why is that? Well, you see, right now, the current character is bearish, and we're looking for a change of character to occur. We've seen vectors, multiple vectors, and the midpoint of the channel, followed by more vectors. We pushed higher, and then we bounced off my Crypto-Quebec indicator. We've come back, retested the previous structure, and bounced again on this support level right here. We can clearly see that. I'm going to zoom in on this support level, where we came down a bit further, but essentially it was a bounce. So the candle is now returning, and we're coming back to retest the previous structure. This implies, that the structure that was in place has been broken, and we're now moving towards an older structure. We pumped, and then we came back down again, testing the indicator. And now, as you can see, we're moving upwards. So on the 1-hour time frame, it's actually quite interesting. If you're interested in getting your hands on this indicator, it is completely free. You'll find the link for it right down below in the description. So to grab my free indicator, which by the way is called the Crypto-Quebec indicator, you just need to click right here on Discord and then navigate to the indicator section to download it. Remember, it's completely gratis. Now, if you're looking to join me on the BitGet or BitUnix platforms, where we're looking at around 8,000 traders, if you decide to join the platform and become part of my team, you can join my Telegram group. We're currently at 464 traders in that group. And what you're seeing right here, this is all comprised of results from individuals who are actively trading alongside me within the Crypto-Quebec team. Once you've done that, you can click on that little airplane icon, send me a direct message, and join the Crypto-Quebec team. All right, so moving on now to the computer analysis. And to be clear, we're not looking to take a trade on the current time frame. We actually need to move up to a higher time frame, like the 4-hour chart, for instance. That's what we...
And the reason for that is, when we arrive at the upper boundary of the indicator, as you can see, we tend to dump. You see it here, we reach the upper part of the indicator, and then we dumped. So if you want to secure your gains, just observe. And by the way, there's still time before this potential move is over. If you want to play it safe, for instance, I would target the 23% level, aiming for a 79% profit. And then, depending on the structure of the candle, I would reevaluate. But the overall trend still seems to be in the same direction. On the other side, when people say it's the top, is it possible to go even higher? The answer is yes, but reaching a 23% level, perhaps even up to 48%, could prove to be extremely interesting for Internet Computer, for ICP. So if you take the time to properly reassess your trade, the likelihood of generating profits becomes significantly higher. So that's my current outlook for ICP, targeting a 23% to 79% potential gain. If you enjoyed this analysis, I highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. I genuinely hope you found this valuable, and I want to thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.